TikTok Shop Seller Tools. TikTok Shop Seller Tools are designed to help sellers manage listings, track performance, and optimize sales easily. These tools simplify product uploads, inventory updates, and order management, making it easier to maintain smooth store operations. For growing sellers, having the right tools ensures that every product and campaign runs efficiently on TikTok. Seller tools also provide analytics, content optimization, and influencer tracking features. With Helium 10, sellers can access advanced insights to monitor sales trends, analyze profits, and find influencers that match their brand. This allows TikTok sellers to make smart, data-driven decisions that lead to more visibility and higher conversions. Many successful TikTok sellers use Helium 10 to automate product tracking and streamline their workflow. It helps them stay organized, improve listings, and identify what content or strategy performs best. With these tools, sellers can confidently grow their business and stay competitive in the fast-moving TikTok marketplace. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to smart seller tools that help you manage, analyze, and scale your TikTok shop with ease.